So here's an equation. It's a linear equation. And sometimes I get asked the question, what is the value of x? Or what is the value of y? And the answer to that is that I don't have enough information as to what x and y are here, because there isn't just one point. Remember, an x comma y is a point, and if that x comma y plugged into this equation makes both sides balanced, then that means that this point is just one of an infinite number of points, one of an infinite number of solutions that would make this true. So what this is a relationship. It's a relationship between x and y. It's not saying that x is specifically something. The only way that I could figure out what x specifically is if you tell me what y is. Then I could figure out what x would need to be for that point to be on that line. But x does not have a value here. Y does not have a value. These are placeholders for the independent and dependent variables that have a relationship between each other. What this is saying is the relationship between the independent value is I need to multiply the independent value by 4 and then add 5 to it to get whatever my dependent value is. So x could be anything that I choose. It's an independent variable. So I could say it's 0, or I could say it's 5, or I could say it's 10. Once I decide what x is, then I can figure out what y is. But this, in and of itself, is not enough information to say, oh, okay, I can solve it. X is 3 and y is 8. Like, that is one that maybe if I plug that in one particular point that would be on the line, but there's an infinite number of solutions, an infinite number of xy pairings that can accompany each other to keep this equation balanced.